Just starting your freelance journey and wondering where to find jobs that welcome beginners? In this final video of our series, I'll show you exactly how to find entry-level jobs on Upwork and land your first project. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Everyone starts somewhere, and Upwork can be a fantastic platform for launching your freelance career if you know where to look. Let me show you how to find opportunities that match your current experience level. First, use the experience level filter in your job search. After entering your keywords, click All Filters and look for the Experience Level section. Select Entry Level to filter out intermediate and expert level positions that require more experience. Look for keywords that indicate beginner-friendly opportunities. Search for terms like starter project, willing to train, junior, or no experience necessary. These phrases often appear in posts from clients who are open to working with newcomers. Focus on smaller, well-defined projects. Entry-level jobs typically have clearer scope and smaller budgets. Look for projects with detailed instructions and specific deliverables. These are often better for beginners than large, complex projects. A crucial pro tip: create a specialized search filter combination for entry-level work and save it. Include the entry-level experience filter, reasonable budget ranges for beginners, and keywords relevant to your skills. This lets you quickly access suitable opportunities whenever you log in. Pay attention to client hiring history. Look for clients who have hired entry-level freelancers before or have left positive feedback for beginners. These clients understand the value of growing with a freelancer and are often more patient and supportive. And that completes our Upwork series. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your first few projects and positive reviews will open doors to bigger opportunities. If this guide helped you start your freelance journey, please give it a like. What's the first type of entry-level work you're pursuing? Share your starting point in the comments below. For more guides that help you grow your freelance business, make sure you're subscribed to Guide with Samuel. Thanks for watching.